Hey there to all of you. Welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel, your go-to source for health and wellness tips. And in today's video, we will discuss the top 9 juices that help improve your digestion and support gut health. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Now let's get started. Segment 1: Introduction to Digestive Health. Let's quickly go over the importance of digestive health before getting into our list. Better digestion and general health are both influenced by a healthy gut. It boosts the immune system, facilitates the absorption of nutrients, and even has an impact on mental health. Juice number 1: Pineapple Ginger Juice. Pineapple ginger juice comes in first place on our list. Ginger has anti-inflammatory qualities and helps calm the digestive tract. While pineapple includes the digestive enzyme bromelain, they work well together to promote intestinal health. Juice number 2: Papaya Passion Delight. Papaya Passion Delights comes in sachet, rich in enzymes like papain. Papaya supports healthy digestion and helps break down proteins. This drink, when paired with passion fruit, is not only delicious but also help maintain a healthy gut environment. Juice number 3: Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate juice is an additional beverage that can be good for your digestive tract. Your gut's inflammation is decreased by it. Your digestive system significantly improves. Pomegranate juice is particularly beneficial for those with ulcer and inflammatory bowel disease. Juice number 4: Cucumber Mint Infusion. Coming in at number 4 is the Cucumber Mint Infusion. Cucumbers are hydrating and contain fiber, promoting regular bowel movements. Mint adds a delightful flavor while also adding digestion. This combination is perfect for a cool and soothing drink. Juice number 5: Turmeric Golden Elixir. At number 5 we have the Turmeric Golden Elixir. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and can be beneficial for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Combining turmeric with a touch of black pepper enhances its absorption, making it a potent digestive aid. Choose number 6: Mango Probiotic Punch. The Mango Probiotic Punch comes in third place. Mangoes are not only sweet but also a great source of enzymes, and the probiotics in them help to support your gut. It's a tart and sweet player for your digestive system. Juice number 7: Lemon Ginger Detoxifier. Our runner-up is the Lemon Ginger Detoxifier. Lemons aid in digestion and ginger helps calm the digestive tract. This zesty combination is not just refreshing but also a great way to support your gut's natural detoxification process. Choose number 8: Aloe Vera Citrus Cooler. At number 8 we have the Aloe Vera Citrus Cooler. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties and can help calm inflammation in the gut. Combined with citrus fruit rich in vitamin C, this juice provides a refreshing and beneficial boost to your digestive system. Juice number 9: Kale and Apple Cleanser. Moving on to number 9, we have the Kale and Apple Cleanser. Kale is a nutrient powerhouse and apples provide soluble fiber. This combination promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria and helps in maintaining digestive regularity. Now you know which top 9 juices are best for gut health and digestion. To fully benefit from these juices, make sure to incorporate a range of them throughout your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.